Alright, welcome everyone to this video. In this video I want to show you a cool little project involving a solar panel, charge controller, and a battery. And it's a neat little way to get familiar with solar power and have like a DIY kit. And I like this kit because it's fairly cheap. Now the solar panel I got with a ceiling fan kit that's supposed to run an outdoor ceiling fan, but I'm not using it. I'm using it as a 25 watt panel. Then I got this LifePo battery. This is about 25 bucks. About the same for the charge controller. Then I have my meters to test everything. So what's cool about this is you got a charge controller that shows the current voltage, right? It'll also show what type of input that you're getting from the solar panel. And then it has two outputs. It has a USB-C there and a USB-A there, right? And right now it's charging my iPhone. As you see, the little charge bolt there, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I have this just bootleg taped to the battery for now because I didn't buy the clips. And right now I don't even have the solar panel pointed properly towards the sun. You really want it direct, but right now I'm getting about 24 watts out of the solar panel. And I'll actually hook it up to the meter and show you. Now this is a watt meter for measuring solar output, and that's a regular voltage ohm meter. So we're really not going to use that now. So I'm going to hook this up and I'm going to show you what we're getting from the solar panel. Okay, so we're going to take a power wattage reading from the solar panel. So I'm going to disconnect from the controller and battery, right? And we're going to put it into my rig that goes to the watt meter. Stick that there. And then we're taking a sample here. So we got 22.2 watts. And we got maximum voltage of 19, open voltage 23.6, that's without a load, 1.2 amps. Not bad for a solar panel that is not even pointed correctly at the sun, just laying outside. Now we're in an apartment building. I don't have too many options to try and find the sun unless I go to the roof. So this is not bad. So back to the setup. Let's see, we're going to plug that back in, and I'm just going to show you one more time. Plug this in, and then boom. Okay, so the current voltage of the battery here is 12.9 volts. I've had this hooked up for maybe 15 minutes or so. We just hit 13, and this shows the capacity of the battery. Once it hits imagine close to 14 volts, it will be considered fully charged. And you know, you have a few different settings. This charge controller can work with a few different batteries, as you see there, the gel, the AGM, and the LifePo. So yeah, and then you got buttons. You got one button here to set everything. You got to pull away this little rubber thing, right? And then you got the two outputs. So overall, I think it's a fun little project. It's neat, no matter how old you are, and definitely get you briefed with how some solar systems work. Now, the reason why you want a controller is you don't want to directly put a solar panel to a battery and just keep it and kind of like guess when it's charged, because you can overcharge it. You could put too much power into it. So an mppt solar charge controller regulates all that to make it safe. So yeah, and it's a lot of fun, and it's good to have one of these meters. I'll put links in the description. This is a Zebo watt meter, not too expensive, and it's nice to have a an ohm meter or a voltage meter. This is a combo. Those are pretty cool too. So there you go. Let me know what you think. Appreciate it if you give a thumbs up, comments below. Thanks for watching.